And Lionel Messi is in Delhi for the final leg of his 4-city tour of India. He is there accompanied by Luis Suarez and Rodrigo de Paul at the Arun Jaitley Stadium, where there was an exhibition match taking place earlier. It was a celebrity exhibition match which took place, and Lionel Messi there met with the players, and there you can see what a treat for those young children to get to interact with the greatest of all times, sporting icon and legend Lionel Messi here on the GOAT India tour, it's being called. And he first, remember, his first stop was actually very unfortunate in Kolkata, where it was very badly handled and a huge mess which led to irate fans vandalizing the stadium, and that's become a whole controversy in itself, and the organizer arrested. Second stop was Hyderabad, where he engaged with the chief minister in a match and also met with Rahul Gandhi. And then was Mumbai yesterday, where fans got a treat at the Wankhede Stadium watching Lionel Messi interact with Sachin Tendulkar. So you had the god of cricket and Lionel Messi, GOAT of football, there interacting, and also Lionel Messi was presented with his jersey as well by Sachin Tendulkar. So it was quite the treat yesterday. And today, Messi is in Delhi on a very polluted day. Unfortunately, one of the worst days, polluted days of December, that the sporting icon is here in the national capital. All right, let's just listen in to a bit to what's happening there at the Arun Jaitley Stadium.
और ये जो इन बच्चों के साथ तस्वीरें ली जा रही हैं, ये सिर्फ तस्वीरें नहीं हैं, ये ऐतिहासिक धरोहर है जो हर इस परिवार के दीवार पर, घरों में ये पिक्चर फ्रेम इठलाएगा, इतराएगा और जीवन भर मुस्कुराएगा कि हमारे बच्चे लियोनेल मेसी, लुइस सुआरेज और रोड्रिगो दी पॉल के साथ फुटबॉल की ड्रिबलिंग की थी, फुटबॉल की पासेस की थी, और फिर अब समय है कुछ ऑटोग्राफ्स का.
Wonderful treat for those children there to get an opportunity to meet, a sporting legend like Lionel Messi, who even played with them, as we saw there. He also kicked footballs into the stand, so a big treat for the fans who are sitting there. And this is the tour of India that Lionel Messi has been on. This is a 4-city tour. First he was in Kolkata, then Hyderabad. Yesterday he was in Mumbai, and this is the final leg of that tour, his final stop in the national capital. And he will be holding a football clinic here in the Arun Jaitley Stadium, signing autographs as well, as you can see, for those fans, accompanied by Luis Suarez and Rodrigo de Paul there at the Arun Jaitley Stadium. So there was a celebrity match earlier, an exhibition match that took place at that stadium for the crowds who had gathered there to watch Messi. Now his arrival in Delhi had got delayed because of the fog situation, so his flight was delayed and the whole program got pushed back a bit. But there you can see Messi there at the Arun Jaitley Stadium, and once again a treat for the fans with Messi kicking those footballs into the stands, and there it goes right up there. Wow, it reached the highest level of those stands, the third tier. He interacted with the young fans, played a bit of football with them, also signing autographs as well and posing for photographs with those young fans who are gathered there.
Get your hands up! Can you get your hands up? Messi, Messi!
Messi, Suarez and Rodrigo.
Well, let's go across to NDTV's Rika Roy, who joins us from there. And Rika, what a treat for Delhiites, for Delhi fans of Messi, as well as those lucky young children who got to actually interact with him.
Welcoming Suarez.
Absolutely, it is quite a treat for the fans in Delhi who waited for very long for Lionel Messi. In fact, the Messi tour of Delhi, the last leg of his India tour, began 4 hours late. He was delayed by the fog. But once he arrived, he hit the ground running. He didn't really take much time to get ready and to get to Firozshah Kotla. There were pictures that were taken out at the Leela Palace Hotel, after which he and his entourage arrived at Delhi's Firozshah Kotla Stadium. Right now, he's inside the stadium conducting a football clinic. There are about an estimated between 25 to 30,000 fans inside the Firozshah Kotla Stadium. I can tell you, Gargi, much more than when Virat Kohli turned up for a Ranji match here the last time, and we had seen gates being broken at the Kotla Stadium. But it is a good moment because, you know, after all the chaos in Kolkata, the chaotic manner in which the tour started, it seems that Delhi is really going to end on a high.
That's right. And Rika, tell us a bit about this entire tour, the, Lionel Messi GOAT India tour with the 4 stops. The purpose of this tour really to encourage more interest in football, also give Indian fans an opportunity to meet their icon, or at least see their icon.
Can you get your hands up?
Gargi, it's an interesting question that you ask. I would say this tour, was for role modeling. It was for Messi to come to India and just whip up the fan frenzy, whip up the fandom ahead of the Football World Cup in US, Mexico and Canada 6 months from now. So Argentina is going to go into a title defense. Messi is the captain of the defending world champions Argentina. So they go into their title defense in 6 months from now. But so far as its impact on Indian football and real football is concerned, I do not see there will be much. Of course, there will be a lot of young boys and girls inside the stadium, inside the stadiums that he has been, who got this brilliant opportunity to watch Messi up close, see a little bit of his moves, his humility, what a superstar brings along with him. But, if you talk about real benefits for Indian football, that's really not happening. The Week magazine ran an article saying that sponsorships of around 120 to 180 crores have been raised for this event. But when you talk about ISL, there was a RFP tendering process done for Indian Super League, and also for the other Indian Football League, but there were no takers of these leagues. So people who were spending a premium on sponsorships are not actually willing to spend on Indian football, and that is the reality. The Indian team is ranked, the Indian men's team is ranked at 142, women's team a little higher, but the benefits of this visit really is not going to percolate to the grassroots or to even elite Indian football.
Get your hands up.
That's right, Rika. Yesterday in Mumbai, we saw Lionel Messi interacting with Sunil Chhetri, India's greatest, footballer. He gave him a jersey as well, which was, such a lovely act. And and you talk about Indian football, and we do know Sunil Chhetri himself is quite frustrated with the fact that ISL has no takers and has been put off. But let's talk again about what's happening right now, and young fans getting, autographs from Lionel Messi. Tell us more about his program in Delhi today. There's also going to be closed-door meetings with some lucky people who have very deep pockets, if the numbers are to be believed, Rika.
Well, yes, in Delhi, there were many people who clicked pictures with Messi for around 11 lakh rupees. Each picture and a handshake cost 11 lakh rupees. And there were some corporates who were even willing to break the bank. They were willing to pay as much as 1 crore rupees for a picture with Lionel Messi, and that's what has been told to us to NDTV. And those pictures were, of course, clicked at the Leela Palace Hotel. The Leela Palace Hotel turned into a fortress. Well, not a soul apart from the ones who were willing to break the bank to take a picture and handshake with Messi were allowed. There were many fans on the ring side of the hotel and even on the ring side of Firozshah Kotla. But the ones who are inside are really the ones privileged, who are able to spend anywhere between 4,500 rupees to 50,000 rupees for a ticket. Earlier in the day, I met up with some young boys who are marketing professionals, who are engineers, who have traveled from afar, and they have paid around 26 to 27,000 rupees for each ticket. And I was asking them whether they have ever paid as much for any other sporting event in India, and they said no, and they wouldn't. They have paid this much because it clearly is to see the GOAT, Lionel Messi.
That's right, and the program after this, there was some talk that he might go to Purana Killa and meet with personalities. Is the Chief Minister also there and will be meeting with Messi? And also, Rika, what a day for him to arrive here. He's a super athlete, and Delhi is not at its best right now, given the air pollution conditions. So that also is something that is being talked about, the fact that we're exposing a super athlete like Lionel Messi to Delhi's toxic air.
Yes, that wave.
And Garge, I can tell you that the place where we are standing right now, right outside the Firozshah Kotla Stadium, isn't a pretty sight. Every car is covered with layers and layers of dust. It is very dusty right now. And yes, Messi and his team are here. They are entertaining the fans. They are entertaining the kids inside the stadium. They will have a football clinic inside the stadium before they head to Purana Killa. And you asked me about the events at Purana Killa. It will be with an apparel manufacturing company for whom Messi is the global brand ambassador. He's going to do a photo shoot for them with the likes of former Indian captain and World Cup winner Rohit Sharma, Nikhat Zareen, and many other Paralympians will be a part of that photo shoot in the picturesque backdrop of Purana Killa, and that will really mark the end of Messi's tour to India. Of course, the day began on a hazy note with the fog delaying the greatest of all-time footballer Lionel Messi's entry into the capital. But as I mentioned, once he got into the capital, he hit the ground running. He quickly descended to take the pictures with all of the people who were assigned to take pictures with him, and thereafter he straight away came to Firozshah Kotla. And right now inside the Kotla Stadium, the series of events are on.
Thanks so much, Rika, for joining us with those details. So a treat for fans of Lionel Messi in Delhi to see their icon there, the sporting legend. So a fan frenzy. This is the last stop of his India tour. We'll slip into a short break and return.